Koba guys, haram noti feshfane kaves. Hinga bamia haro midya haravuren rangala kureveni kon kantattaketto balalama. I have made a list of things that I and you could do to have a better year than last. Stop waiting for the right time and start doing because gadiye made nukurana. You have to run after it. Fahum guram vejje abadus fahum evagote kureve evagote na. So you should start anywhere, start messy, just start doing it. Be kind to yourself and others. Don't be hard on yourself when you make a mistake, and don't be so quick to judge others either because you really don't know what someone's going through. My goal this year is to build a career because careers are very important. Rather than depending on someone or something, you should start doing it yourself. Last, don't worry about what others think. Do you, be you, and if that makes you happy, do it. Miyaharo imge goals miki yadavani. Miyaharo timi hunge goals ki koba. Let me know.